Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe to the channel. Write your comments in the comment box and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about handbrake. This is how you have to use. Push the button and then raise up. The brake, handbrake is used. You can see the light in the dashboard. The red light which you see is the handbrake. So once it is gone, that means your handbrake is released. If it is on, it means the handbrake is there. So handbrake can be used multi-purpose. It can be used as parking brake, or mainly it is used as emergency brake. Once your main brake fails, you are driving and you get into the first gear, and if you want to brake the car suddenly on emergency, you can use the handbrake. So the car gets stopped. How the handbrake or the emergency brake works? This is connected with two wires, strings, connected to the rear wheels. When you pull the handbrake, the brake pads go closer to the drum and get it stiff, so your car can't move. And the normal brake works for the front wheel and the back wheel. This is only for the rear wheel. There are people who forget after you lift the handbrake, and they forget to remove the brake and they drive like that. So when you're driving that way, the brake pads get worn off and the mileage goes down because they are stuck, the brakes are stuck. And in case after you even release the brake, if you find the red signal, the handbrake signal in the dashboard, that means there's a less oil in the brake oil in your brake oil container. So top up the brake oil and have a safe driving with safe braking. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRACars. Thank you.